Alright guys, we're ready with the second video of the day. We sadly lost our first match, the warm-up match we always call it. We were really rich, we had lots of gold, it was going great. We just sadly got knocked out. We had 15 HP and we got 15 damage, and we're just starting to really become strong. That investment paying off, but there was key cards we never got, and like I'm always trying to like really reflect on how I approach the game, and I think I might have been fishing too hard for the right combo. Ooh, Raynor. Raynor is fun though. Do we have mechs? We have mechs. Let's do Raynor. I just think it's a cool, fun hero. So let's do Raynor. Alright guys. We just need to get some minions down on the board, I think. Although we could just get these two. We already have a minion. Give your leftmost minion 1/1. Alright. Alrighty then. This is gonna be my second video of the day, and I'm not sure how many more I can make. 1 second. Let's do the upgrade. We'll be on 5 next turn. We could buy the 2 spells plus a minion. I think I freeze. I think I freeze here. Let's see what we can do. Why do we get so many cards? Oh, it's because of... Oh. Alright. Should we go Trickster? We could go Trickster, I guess. The question is, should we get 4/5 or... I think 4/5 is just more, like, better. Yeah. We're actually losing here because of that death rattle. We definitely need another card. The taunt is... doesn't work really great. Okay, we have a quest. Cast spells, we could definitely do easy. After 5 refresh, make the highest min... I think we're doing this one. Cast 7 spells, it's gonna be easier to complete. I really want to upgrade here. Yeah, we'll easily finish this quest in time. I wonder if the Battlecruiser spells counts as tavern spells. Like, would a Fellfire Conjurer, for instance, upgraded? I guess not. Would be maybe too overpowered.
Fight for Arden.
Okay, let's see. Ah, we're still dying though. We're still dying. Yeah, we need more stuff on the board. For sure. What could we do? Could buy this elemental. So this is what I think we should do. Now we have a little bit more minions at least. Like 9 attack is pretty strong. I mean, we could freeze it just to get the spells, right? We're gonna get another spell and a couple of minions. So maybe freezing is actually not bad here, because we need to complete the quest.
Fight for Arden.
Taunt is starting to be an issue, almost. Getting taunt on the trickster would probably... Or we might just sell it. Now we get the 2 spells. That one is great, that one is great. Okay. Shuffle. This one is good. Maybe get rid of... Guess we get rid of this one. We could even chef choice next turn. Gonna be on 9. 5. Yeah, I'm thinking actually we freeze here. Because we could always get the magnetize if it's good. And we definitely want to upgrade next turn as well. One of the things I've learned with Raynor is you want to get to those insane upgrades for the Battlecruiser. So kind of rushing like to 5 and 6 while, you know, being healthy is kind of what you want to do. You don't want to spend a single goal on shuffling almost.
You hunt well.
Can't believe we draw it here. That was nice. Had a 90% chance to lose. Okay, let's do the upgrade first. Discover a mech. I think we're going the mech route, to be fair. And leftmost minion. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That could definitely work. Okay, so now we can refresh. I mean, it's kind of good, right? Because if we get a golden 4, we get a tier 5, and the same if it's a golden 5. So maybe this is actually a really solid choice. But I don't want to spend my gold refreshing. Because I want to get to the big upgrade, so... Maybe this one is better when you have a lot of max gold? Or you get the elemental where you get 2 free refreshes. Ooh. Ooh, that's a play. That's a play. I think that's like level 2, right? Level 2 elemental? I was wrong. Is it a 3? Is it a 4? Is it... What? Doom Dweller. Crackling Fireball. Snowballer. Is it not in the game anymore? What's going on? Oh wait, it's a 4 cost? Damn, they changed that elemental. Just look how big our deflector bot is now. So I guess spending 3 gold on an elemental and then selling it so it only costs 2, you get 2 free refreshes. Then you can just refresh 2 times. So yeah, there's that. More health I think is always good. I want to upgrade. So let's be a little bit greedy here. 12 health is really strong. Okay, we made it to tier 5. It's time to stabilize. Now we don't upgrade, we just hope to get good shit and we'll see. I'm actually not familiar with any good mech builds. They look like they're not that good tiers. Don't really have... I mean, we have a rally card here. We could technically go Monstrosity if we find it. Divine Shields mech. That can't be a comp. This looks better. Oh wait. Yeah. Basically we can't commit yet. I do think Deflector Bot is good. There is those when a mech dies it summons 3 1/1s, which would... What happened here? We got completely destroyed. What the actual... Damn. Alright, we need to... Okay, we got some stuff. Ooh, this one is good. Let's get this guy in. Let's put... this one, I think. Let's refresh and see if we get a good spell here. Oh, we got the monstrosity. I think we just yeah, we go with the rally build then. Yeah, we'll take damage again for sure, but hopefully we can stabilize. Yeah. Our Battlecruiser only has 26 HP. That is not ideal. I wonder what mech is gonna be buffed here. But I think we'll keep these two because they're quite good. Four refreshes left. Jesus.
You hunt well.
Nice. Divine Shield again. Yep. To be fair, it's first place guy, but we definitely need to... We might lose the game here.
Though you may be weary, fight.
Should we get a Divine Shield on this guy? Then all Divine Shield minions get something, and health is also really good. What is this? Another health? Oh, and then we get this one, okay. So let's see what happens. Oh, they don't count as spells, alright. Tavern spells, okay. I think we buffed up a bit, 60 HPs. It's still like... Taunt on this guy is not ideal. That probably griefed us more this game than anything else. Yeah, definitely not ideal. Imagine giving this one Rally if you could somehow. How sick that would be. Then we could play these.
Fight for Arden.
Alright, we're growing. We are growing. What is this? Ooh, Ooh, we can give this one Rally now. That is insane. Okay, I think we're cooking. Should we go 6? I think we can't afford upgrading. We need some more stuff. There's another Rally.
Perhaps hire another.
Reborn? Damn, this is a little bit difficult. I'm just gonna give it Reborn.
Will fulfill.
Maybe it does something at one point. I mean, we do have a lot of Divine Shields, but I don't think we're gonna scale with spells. Although we could technically buy Natural Blessing next turn. I think we should do that maybe, just get a little bit of stats up on these guys. So this one first. And so when we cast this, everything is like plus... How much? So it's gonna be a 7, 3 for 6 gold, no, 7 gold, 7-3 to all minions. Or most minions. Okay. These guys are not that strong. Okay, now we have 2 tones up. That's great. We need to give that rally spell to all the mechs if we find it. That would be sick. This one, this one, this one. Shuffle. I think we do that one. Let's remove. Time to get some stats. Let's just shuffle. How many times? Oh, that's the golden? No, thank you. Ooh, we need another replicating menace. So we're up against first place now. I have a feeling if we can survive this, if we survive next turn, 2 people are out. Then I think 2 people will be knocked out and we'll be in the top 4. It's still not crazy. We haven't, like, we need to upgrade, I think. Can we upgrade to tier 6 next turn? I mean, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2? No, that's 0. So yes, I guess we can. That's also a rally though. That could be kind of sick. Getting Divine Shield on the Battlecruiser would probably be the biggest upgrade. Since it already has taunt. Maybe we should have done that instead of putting it on the Monstrosity. We would have gotten more value out of Divine Shield here. Yeah. That makes us lose the entire game. That is such a shame. Yeah, the Divine Shield would have saved us, I think. So yeah, what we learned here was misplay. Putting the Divine Shield on the Battlecruiser, making sure it doesn't have taunt, would have probably made it for us. So we learned something. We'll try and store it in our brains and don't do the same mistake next time. That was it, guys. Pretty rough 2 first games. Again, if you like to see me lose some more, press the like button and see you in the next one. Bye bye.